Have you ever wondered how much you'd pay for a tulip bulb? $5? 10 perhaps? But what if I told you that in the 17th century, some people in the Netherlands were willing to pay the equivalent of a luxurious house for just one bulb? And what's even more intriguing, does this event, known as Tulip Mania, have anything in common with a Ponzi scheme? Tulip Mania occurred during the Dutch Golden Age, when tulip bulbs became a status symbol of wealth and luxury. Suddenly, these humble bulbs were being traded for astronomical prices, with some rare bulbs fetching up to 6 times the annual income of a skilled worker. This was an economic bubble, a situation where the prices of commodities increased rapidly to levels far exceeding their intrinsic value, only to crash dramatically. Now, let's draw a comparison to a Ponzi scheme. Named after Charles Ponzi, a Ponzi scheme is an investment fraud where returns are paid to existing investors from funds contributed by new investors. Unlike a bubble, a Ponzi scheme is a deliberate scam with an operator that knows the scheme's inevitable fate. So when we compare Tulip Mania to a Ponzi scheme, we see a crucial difference. Tulip Mania was a market frenzy driven by irrational exuberance and speculative demand. In contrast, a Ponzi scheme is a calculated fraud. While both can lead to devastating financial losses, they arise from fundamentally different circumstances. In the modern world, we witness similar economic bubbles, such as the dot-com bubble of the late 90s and the housing bubble that resulted in the 2008 financial crisis. These events serve as stark reminders of the dangers of speculative frenzies and the importance of financial prudence. As we delve into the details of Tulip Mania, we discover intriguing facts. Did you know that at the peak of Tulip Mania, a single bulb could be traded for a luxurious house or a coach with 2 horses? This obsession with tulips transformed the simple flower into a form of currency, a symbol of wealth, and ultimately, a financial disaster. In conclusion, Tulip Mania stands as a fascinating episode in economic history, a tale of how a simple flower bulb ignited a financial frenzy. Reflecting on this event, we are left to ponder: are there parallels between Tulip Mania and today's financial conditions? Could another such mania be brewing in our modern markets? Keep these questions in mind, and remember, history often has a way of repeating itself.